the follicles are lost permanently. So the prognosis of the scarring alopecia is not great because the follicles are not there at all. So it is a irreversible damage to the hair follicle. The daily hair shedding, which is normal, is up to 50 to 100 strands per day.
Typically, people feel that hair transplant lasts forever, which is not the case because the hair loss continues, especially the native hair may still miniaturize.
The major drawback of finasteride has been the side effects on sexual function. This is the most limiting factor for the patients.
So we have needle-based hair stimulation, which includes microneedling, mesotherapy, and a combination of these treatments.
The nutrition of the hair is stopped by the body itself, and this can give rise to nutritional deficiency at the hair level.
If you counsel your patient well and if you take the history well, the likelihood of response to your therapy is very high.